it going, everyone? This is Sean here from the Scale Model Car Guide channel, and I'm coming to you with a update on me and Keith at Keith's Model Unboxing and Scale Builds. This is our buddy build, and we are building. Let me move this out of the way so I can show you the box. All right, we are building these Tamiya / Domino Ford Escort RS Cosworth Rally kits, and we are using the engine kits from USCP, Ukrainian Scale Car Products. Okay, so that is what we're using for the engine. And here we are. This is what I've gotten done so far. I'm getting close to buttoning this thing up, but before I show you this, let me thank all my subscribers, all my new subscribers. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. And alright, and I just want to give a shout out to all the veterans out there. I know it's a little late on my video, but this is the first time I've gotten to make a video. A lot of y'all know, some of you don't, but my mother passed away on Sunday, and so it's just been a little hard for me right now. So, alright, with that being said, guys, here we go. I'm going to show you what I've gotten done so far. Alright, there's the engine kit. I don't know if you can see it too good or not. I got it wired up. I got the air box on here, the turbos, got the little decals on there. It says Ford. I got my little oil filter, I guess that's a little washer bottle. I'm not for sure what some of those are, but the fuel injection rail, I guess right here, it's there with the little pop-off valve. I'm not for sure what a lot of that stuff is, and I had a problem, and so they're not going to be on there, but my tire decals, sorry, and there's my tires. I'm not good at putting those stupid decals on there. I screwed them all up, and so there's very little decal on that spare tire, but the rest of them ain't going to have none on it. I probably should have took it off. But there's my cockpit. I thought about doing my own seat belts, but I got to looking and I run out of the little latch, the little photo etch parts. I got the seat belt material, but I run out of the photo etch parts. So I wasn't going to order none right now with everything going on with my mom passing and everything. Just like I said, a lot of things on my mind. I said, screw it, guys. I just put the decals in the seats, which I know with putting the engine detail and stuff in this, I probably should have went and the extra mile and did the seat belts, but it's my kit. I don't care. This is what I've done. And I don't know, get this camera to focus, but there's the dash. I don't know if I can. There we go. Try to get it in there for you guys. There's the inside. There's the dash, the shifter, the e-brake. There's a couple tanks back there. There's the gas tank, fuel cell, whatever you want to call it. I did some black washing in there because everything's so white, the gray dash and the gray door cards, but everything else is so white that I did a black wash on it to hopefully just bring some of that. There's this side of the engine, if you can see that any better or not. There we go. Oh, I don't know if you can see that good or not, but and here's the underside of it. I went with the clear over this, that way you could see the pumpkin there, and then I got the skid plate here, and I'm going to leave it clear too, that way you can see all the detail. If I was leaving this a curbside, I'd probably just paint it and put it on there, but since how it's all detailed up, that's the way I'm going to do it. But that's that part of it. And here's the back wing that goes on the car. I'm sorry about the focus, guys. I got that left. I got the here's the hood. There's the hood with the decals on it, and I got that I still got to put the lights in because I'm doing it with the all the lights on it. Here's the lights to go on the front too. I still got the brake calipers and the disc and all that to go on it, and here's like the lights that go on the front. And then there's my rear view mirrors or side view mirrors. I still got mud flaps put on. I got a bunch of little stuff to put on it. And then here's the body. I used a lot of this right here, micro saw, to get these decals to bend and really go around the corners and the curves and stuff. That stuff to focus here. There you go. But yeah, it's turning out really nice. I'm not the best at painting the black around the windows and stuff, but it is what it is. It looks all right for me. I don't care. There it is till I get it all put together, guys. I thought I'd give you one more update before I do my final on this, which now is just slapping it together and everything. And then here's the glass for it, so it's all painted up. Like I said, I thought I'd do a final video on it before I slap it all together tomorrow. And I don't know exactly if I'll get the final on there tomorrow, but I will have it up sometime this weekend. And like I said, I want to thank all my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. I want to thank Keith for doing this buddy build with me. And alright, I want to thank all the veterans too. So, alright. And like I said, you know, I didn't get to the other day when everybody's making veteran videos and stuff. And my son's in the military, so thank him too for his service. Thank my dad for his service. And, you know, everybody that's already passed on that was in the family that's been in the service. So, alright, thank you. Scale Model Car Guy channel out.